Managing calls. The dial number drop-down list enables you to dial a previously dialed number directly or specify the number you want to call. It will list the last 10 calls made by the user. To place a call with the toolbar, enter the number into the designated box or select a previously entered number by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to place the call. You can also place a call from your Outlook contacts. Access your contacts in Microsoft Outlook. Click the Add-ins tab to display the Telephony Toolbar. Select and highlight a contact with your mouse. Open the drop-down under the Dial Contact button and select a listed number for your contact. Next, click the Call Toggle button to place the call. You can answer calls by clicking the Answer Toggle button. The Answer button is only enabled when you have an incoming call or a call on hold. The button can be used for answering an incoming call or for returning to a call that is on hold. You can also answer an incoming call by clicking on the notification window while wearing a headset. The notification window allows you to answer incoming calls, send incoming calls straight to your voicemail, and silence your ringer, in which your caller will ultimately reach your voicemail. The toolbar allows you to place a call on hold by clicking the Hold Toggle button. To return back to the call, press the Answer toggle. You can dial voicemail or transfer an active call to voicemail by clicking the Voicemail toggle button. You can transfer a call by entering a new number in the Dial Number field and then clicking the Transfer toggle button. If you wish to speak to the recipient before transferring, wait till the recipient picks up the call and then press the Transfer button. Here's how it works. During an active call, place the first call on hold or simply initiate a new call from the toolbar or your desk phone. Because the toolbar uses the Click to Dial feature, your desk phone will ring with an incoming call from the number you are dialing. Once you answer the incoming call to your desk phone, the call continues as an outbound call to the caller you are transferring the call to. If you press Transfer before the caller picks up, the call will be transferred as a blind transfer. You can wait for the caller to answer the phone and announce the call, which is called a warm transfer, also known as a consulted transfer. You can initiate what is called an N-way conference, whereas you would have a minimum of 2 parties and a maximum of 31 by clicking the toggle button. The N-way conference toggle button is only enabled when you have 2 calls in either an active or an held state. During an active call, place the second call using the toolbar or your desk phone. Remember, if you use the toolbar to make the second call, your desk phone will ring because of the Click to Dial feature. Once the caller answers the phone, the conference toggle button is enabled, where you can now activate the conference by pressing the conference button. Notice when you click onto the Call Lines drop-down menu, the calling line information indicates Conference. You can end a call by clicking the End toggle button. Finally, you can manage active calls by selecting them from the drop-down list.